Alright, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching this video. What is the strongest position for Jupiter in the birth chart? Let me tell you, the strongest position for Jupiter is basically Cancer zodiac sign. In Cancer zodiac sign, Jupiter becomes exalted. That means the energy of Jupiter will be doubled in Cancer zodiac sign. So, what is basically Jupiter? Jupiter is the Jiva Karaka for male. Jupiter represents preacher. Jupiter is a judge. Alright, and also Jupiter, one of the Karakatvas of Jupiter is religious activities as well as spiritual person. And Jupiter represents growth, development, expansion. Jupiter represents respect. Jupiter represents divinity. Alright. And Jupiter gets positive in Cancer zodiac sign. Obviously, as I mentioned to you, it is exalted. And Jupiter goes well in Leo zodiac sign. Jupiter goes well in Aries as well as Scorpio. Of course, in Sagittarius and Pisces, it's his own sign. He's positive, and even in Capricorn as well as Aquarius, Jupiter is positive. All right. Only in Taurus, Libra, Gemini, and Virgo, Jupiter becomes negative. All right. So because it doesn't go well with Mercury and Venus. Okay. So especially with Venus, Venus becomes the strongest enemy for planet Jupiter. Okay. So Jupiter is considered as the most auspicious planet in Vedic astrology because Jupiter is all about positivity. Wherever Jupiter is placed in your zodiac sign, the first keyword I would like to see from that zodiac sign perspective is positivity. All right. If Jupiter is placed in the first house, obviously these people are very strong, will-minded, and they're very task-oriented. And Jupiter represents success in the endeavors. Obviously, in the first house, it makes the person very knowledgeable, wisdomized, and these people are clever in terms of making the plans. They design the things very well, design thinking, and they get into the research and development fields. And also, Jupiter also represents teacher, preacher, and these people becomes a great orators, preachers, as well as these people also will be acting as members of religious institutions as well. You might have come across some of the lot of NGOs and religious institutions. These people will be acting as a members, and they'll be actively participating in the work related to those NGOs as well as religious institutions. And Jupiter in the horoscope makes the in the positive Jupiter, if Jupiter is positive in the horoscope, this makes the person very much will-minded, as I mentioned to you, the task-oriented person who is super workaholic in nature. Okay, and this person is very honest, very trustworthy, and most importantly, he will be gaining the respect for his knowledge and wisdom. And where if Jupiter is placed in the fifth house or the ninth house, 10th and 11th houses, then Jupiter becomes super positive. He'll be getting the very good business profits, and of course, in the job or at a professional environment, this person will be gaining a lot of respect. He will be very wisdomized and knowledgeable in his endeavors, and there is a success in the endeavors. And most importantly, I would see the growth in this person. All right. So people with negative Jupiter, they will not be having much of growth. They will be on the same level. With regards to their finances, with regards to their personal life, with regards to their professional life, you won't see much growth without Jupiter's blessing. Then you can estimate the Karakas of planet Jupiter. All right. You can understand the impact of planet Jupiter in the horoscope. That's why Jupiter is considered as most auspicious planet in the Vedic system. All right. And only enemies for Jupiter is basically Venus and Rahu. Okay, and of course with some people argue with me that Jupiter doesn't go well with Mercury, but I would say Jupiter is neutral to Mercury. Okay, still I have told that Jupiter becomes negative in the Virgo as well as Gemini zodiac signs, which have the rulership of planet Mercury. All right. So anyhow, I hope you enjoyed this video, and let me know in the comment section what exactly you learned from this video. And I have made so many such videos with regards to explaining the significance of planet Jupiter. So in fact, this is a repeat video. I would like to give a short answer pertaining to this question. So please do check that video also, significance of planet Jupiter in Vedic astrology. I'm sure you'll be able to understand the knowledge. I'm sure you'll be able to understand the Vedic astrological knowledge from these videos. My objective is to help you with the knowledge of Vedic astrology. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know in the comment section what exactly you learned from this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel if at all you haven't. and please book for an astrological consultation that will enable me to check your birth chart for 3 to 4 hours, and then I can able to provide you the final prediction pertaining to your birth chart. All right. So the link is mentioned in the comment section to book for an astrological consultation. And thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.